Guys, we're gonna do a smoked spatchcock turkey on my pit barrel cooker coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and I know it's been a while, but I am outdoors. You can tell by the cars driving by right as I try to film. No matter when I film in the backyard, there's cars going by, or gardeners mowing, or kids screaming, or dogs barking, all that good stuff. So, but today, we're outside, letting the sun shine on us a little bit. I know a lot of you new subscribers are here for the Ninja Foodie Grill and all the stuff I've been doing on there, and it has been amazing. But what you'll get to know about me is that I love cooking outdoors too. I love, except for the cars going by, I love smoking the meats over here, grilling, barbecuing, all that good stuff. So I decided, you know what, we're gonna get outside. Get a little sunlight on us, right? We've been spending too much time in the kitchen. It's time to fix that. So today, spatchcock turkey on the pit barrel cooker. We took out the backbone, so you're gonna need a good pair of kitchen shears, right? Go up one side and down the other. Alright, so you're just taking that backbone out. Now, usually this is where when you're spatchcocking a chicken or whatever, you'd flip it over and break the sternum, the chest bone, to make it lay as flat as possible. But we did a dry brine on this one. Alright, so the video footage I'm showing you is of a couple days ago. We sprinkled some salt on it to do a dry brine, and I know that's kind of an oxymoron. Brining can't be dry because usually when you're brining you're using water and sugar, spices, salt, and so on. But it's also a term for using just salt to extract the moisture out of the skin. So what we did is I left the breastbone intact to give nice tight skin to it. So normally when you break that breastbone, it will cause the skin to kind of fold up onto itself, and I wanted the skin tight so we could extract as much moisture as possible using that salt and the refrigeration and taking the humidity out of the air a bit. So after you cut out that backbone, what we also did was we took some Tony Chachere's Creole butter, and I'm gonna tell you, we just injected the heck out of it. Obviously this is a small bird. This bird's only about 11 pounds, no big deal. But we just injected it, got this Creole butter. You can get it at any store. You can see I'm going through it right now. We're making pockets in the meat, slowly dragging that needle out, and releasing the Creole butter as we drag the needle out. Okay, real easy to do. And we're gonna let it sit in here just to let that skin tighten up, let some of the moisture draw out of there. Might have one of them bears. Got the pit barrel getting ready over here. Already got the charcoal in the bottom. We're gonna use, what are we gonna use? We're gonna use some pecan wood chips in there. We don't need a lot of wood in there. We're not looking for tons of smoke. Just a little kiss, all right? Alright guys, I think this cook is going to take probably about 3 hours. Like I said, it's not a big bird. Spatchcocking it speeds up the time. You're kind of evening out the temperatures. You know, for your dark meat you want like 175. For your white meat you want 165. Obviously, the dark meat comes up to temperature a little quicker. So by spatchcocking it, it makes it a little bit even on the temp time. So I'm gonna take you back inside as we finish prepping the bird. Like I said, it's been 2 days. We're gonna break that breastbone. We're going to season it up right. I know you're gonna like this. Stick with me on this one, all right? I know it's a bit of an intro, but stick with me on this one. Hit that like button. You know you're gonna like this. You've clicked on the thumbnail. You know it looks spectacular, so you know it's gonna turn out right. All right. You know, the freaking car going by. Make it two. All right, guys, that's it. Let's get it started. What do you say? Stick around. Okay, guys, we are 2 days later with our dry brined turkey. Now, what I did, I showed you how to cut out the backbone, and we did that already. But the true spatchcock it, we're going to break the breastplate here, the breastbone, get it ready to lay completely flat. Basically, it's just like a chicken. When you're spatchcocking, flip it over. See, the backbone's removed. We took out the wishbone, and we're just gonna apply a little pressure and get it broke. Some lovely sounds coming out of this thing. All right, so see how I'm talking about how, there we go. Next thing we're gonna do is get the bird seasoned up. So we're gonna use a little of the spray olive oil. We'll start with the underside. We use the olive oil as the binder. Got our little JP BBQ sexy chicken. You know it's gonna be sexy when you use the sexy chicken. Obviously, this is not a chicken. Thank you, Peanut Gallery. But it's for poultry. And remember, we've already put that Cajun butter from Tony Chachere's. So this is gonna be max flavor from the smoke, from the sexy chicken, from the Tony Chachere's. Going max flavor. Flip the bird around. Get more of that oil on there. Alright, we're gonna let this rest a little bit, get the pit barrel running. Come on back. Alright guys, it's been relaxing and resting for a little bit. We got our meat stick thermometer in there. We're in the breast. We're gonna take it to about 160. Then we'll pull it and let the carryover temperature get it to 165. Alright, let's get this bad boy on the pit barrel. Alright, it's time to get the bird on. Gotta be a bit careful with it. We'll adjust it as we get on there. These legs turned out. The wings adjusted. Good to go. Alright guys, we're an hour in. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the spray olive oil on there. Make it tasty. Not using too much. It's a real fine mist. Right now it's temping out about 100, 120 in there. Got a little ways to go, but it's looking good. I'm digging it. The meat stick thermometer is temping out at 153. So I'm gonna check. Yeah, 158 in the breast. I'm okay with that. A little more, 165, 66. Yeah, we're done. Oh yeah, I'll check the thighs. We're doing good, boys and girls. 73. Yep. What do you say? I think it's time we pull this bad boy out. Let it rest. We let it sit. Look at that bird. Look at that. This would be real easy to cut off right here. Got one leg. The other leg. Pow. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to carve off the breast here. We can check it out. Ooh, look at that. I guess this is the piece. Wow, that's hot. Ooh, nutty. Guess this is the piece we're going to try. It's freaking hot.
Don't burn your face off.
I will not burn my face off. Look at that. Look at that moist, delicious. Well, I'm pretty sure it's delicious. Let's try it. Goodness, it's hot. Mmm. Oh my god. Oh, that's so tasty. That Creole butter in there. Shut the front door. The juiciness. Like, I want to manhandle this bird. A little bite there. Let's get some of this dark meat off. What do you say? Do a little smoke ring. A little juicy. Look at that. Charlie, I don't know if you can hear him, but he's barking him back. He's like, I had to wait for this. I want a bite, sucker. That's why Charlie talks. He calls me sucker. Oh, look at that. There's a ring there. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Dude. That's juicy loveliness right there. Guys, so you're right here. See that? That's right. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it on camera just for you. Probably make a mess. It's okay. Alright, God dang it. So good. All you can hear is chewing and typing in the background.
Somebody's got to work around here.
Something's gotta work around here.
Even if it's Saturday.
If you don't want this, if you don't like this, I don't want to know you. This stuff is awesome. You need to try it. Tony Chachere's Creole style butter. That's some good stuff. JP Sexy Chicken. JP, your chicken's sexy, buddy. Alright. This was awesome. Make sure you give this a shot. Alright. Comment down below. Tell me what you're doing with your Thanksgiving turkey. Or if you're even doing ham. Whatever you're doing. Comment down below. Tell me about it. I hope y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I know I will. I love Thanksgiving. It's my Super Bowl of eating. Can't wait to cook. Can't wait to eat. I even look forward to cleaning a little bit. And then we'll catch some of that football game. Nap. Dessert. We're all good. Alright. That's it, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.